5th gen Cummins in for a Banks Monster Ram. Now, we already know that new trucks are very painfully expensive, and these Cummins trucks with that grid heater bolt have a notoriously multi-$1,000 potential failure. So we do a lot of these Banks Monster Rams. We keep the heat, we still give you that winter cold weather performance with the Banks Monster Ram, but we eliminate the grid heater bolt. Now, if you haven't heard about the grid heater bolt failure, take a second and give it a Google. You will find out plenty of painful information about all the expense, time, and hassle that a grid heater bolt failure can and eventually will cost Cummins owners. And we're talking full engine replacement, because when that bolt breaks off, it goes through the engine, and you can imagine what a bolt going through your cylinders is going to do. All right, guys, so this is the factory piece off the Ram. You can see that little bolt there is what will eventually cause you a financial nightmare. So as you can see, luckily this is a 5th gen Ram, meaning it's relatively new. This bolt is still relatively intact, which is nice. It means he wasn't close to disaster, although we know some people that have not made it out from this, because when that bolt fails, again, it goes through the engine, and often, not always, but often that means pretty catastrophic damage. If you follow me, and bear with us, this isn't a working shop, so we've got some parts laying around. This is the piece going on the truck. This is the Banks Monster Ram. As you can see, we're going to eliminate that grid heater altogether. However, this Banks Monster Ram, which not only looks good, I mean, red is faster, right? You have to add power when you add something red to your truck. Don pointed that out, and it's true. This is red, so therefore it is a faster, more horsepower type of piece. This integrates a heating element into it. So we're here in Missouri. Obviously, heat in the winter, cold weather performance is a really, really big deal. We don't want to lose that ability. This is a daily driven truck, so some trucks can get away with just deleting the grid heater and not installing any type of heat replacement, any type of heater in that area. This truck, we don't want to do that. This customer very much uses this truck throughout the winter. Cold starts, cold operations, idling in cold weather is a really big deal. So therefore, not only improving the truck by getting rid of that grid heater bolt, but actually installing a aftermarket heat solution is a really good idea. On top of that, this piece, if you're not familiar with the Banks Monster Ram, I will show you. I'll put that piece down and show you the stock piece. As you can see, not only is it much scrawnier looking than the Banks piece, a lot less airflow. This piece has already been started to have that EGR buildup on it. So emissions intact truck, obviously, so we're gonna have a lot of that soot carbon buildup going through, which has already started to clog this, which is just such an awesome, great thing for every truck, just to be breathing its own exhaust. These new trucks are expensive, and this is compared to the cost of fixing a grid heater bolt failure, very, very inexpensive upgrade. If you have any questions about this or any other upgrade, visit FASSmotorsports.com or give us a call at 636-429-7020. We'd be happy to help.